Having trouble getting your Binance verification approved? You're not alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you can get back to trading without delays. Binance verification can fail for many reasons, and sometimes it's not even your fault. So here's how to fix it. First of all, open the Binance application on your phone. Once you launch the Binance app, you might see a message that says your identity verification has been rejected, and it will ask you to complete the verification again. This message will show up as a pop-up or notification inside the app. Now, simply tap on the Verify button. Once you tap Verify, Binance will allow you to re-verify your account. Here, you'll see the option that says Try Again. Tap on that button. After you tap Try Again, Binance will ask you to choose the country you're in and the type of identity document you want to use. You can choose from a passport, a driver's license, or a national ID card. Most people have a national ID card, so I'll continue the process using that. Now tap Continue. Here, Binance will give you a few guidelines to follow when uploading your ID card. You must take a clear picture of both sides of your government-issued ID card. The full image of your document must be visible, and all the details must be readable. The document must be original and should not have expired. You should place the document on a solid colored background. Try to avoid patterns or multicolor surfaces. For example, using a white table or plain wall is a good choice. Once you're ready, tap Continue. At this point, Binance will ask for permission to access your camera. You need to allow this. Now place the ID card down on a solid background and take a photo of the front side first. Once done, take a photo of the back side. Make sure both pictures are not blurry and that all text is visible. Then, Binance will start the verification process again. If everything is done correctly, your account will most likely be verified this time. So that's how you can fix the Binance verification failed issue. Thanks for watching.